What if the single biggest thing holding you back from everything you want is sitting right between your ears and you don't even know it's there? Let's pause. Right now. Look at your hands. Feel the air in the room. In that tiny, quiet space lives the entirety of your future. It's in those quiet spaces that your life is either designed or it simply happens to you. This isn't about working harder. It's about mastering what happens in the silence between your thoughts and your next action. You must reclaim every stolen minute. This is not a gentle suggestion. This is a reclamation project. Conduct a ruthless audit of where your time leaks away. The 20-minute scroll here, the pointless meeting there, the show you watch just because it's on. Find the leaks and plug every single hole from that reclaimed reservoir of hours, and you will be shocked at how many you find you must then reinvest. This is the critical second step. You don't just save time, you invest it. Pour it into discovering your core strength or the one skill you can cultivate into mastery. Then, with that time, sharpen the blade. Polish it relentlessly until it is lethal in its effectiveness. All legendary figures share one trait: unwavering composure. Amidst chaos, criticism, noise, and drama, their sightline never wavers from the target. Nothing derails their forward momentum. I have faced setbacks. I stay locked on. I have been the subject of whispers. Focus. I navigate personal storms. Focus. You must become adept at filtering noise. Who cares about their opinion? Leadership. Who worries about their judgment? Sovereignty. Command your domain. Dominate your chosen path. What I practice that many do not is singularity of purpose. I am latched onto one primary objective and I remain fixed upon it. I improve weekly. I do not entertain trivial diversions. I do not wander. Anything not aligned with my destination is a distraction. I cannot afford a challenge. For some is the desire for external validation of their dream. It belongs to you. No one owes you support. It is your vision. If you truly want it, you must rise and construct it. If you truly want it, you must build with your own hands. Because this is your era, this is your chance. Tomorrow it is a fairy tale. We possess only now. If this message connected with you, if you feel that spark to take back control, then do me this favor, like this video. It tells the YouTube algorithm that this content matters, and it helps the winds of thought channel reach others who need to hear it. Your support is the kindling for this fire. Now go build. If this message connected with you, if you feel that spark to take back control, then do me this favor, like this video. It tells the YouTube algorithm that this content matters and helps the winds of thought channel reach others who need to hear it. Kindling for this fire. Now go build, like, share, subscribe for motivation.